the conflict management. And in this presentation, we will discuss about what is conflict, three views of conflict, and the functional conflict outcomes, and the dysfunctional conflict outcomes, and conflict resolution techniques. So, what is a conflict? Conflict is the word which comes from the conflicts, which is a Latin word, and that means to strike hard. And the meaning of conflict is to the misunderstanding between the two persons' opinions. Definition of the conflict is a process that begins when one party perceives that another party has negatively affected or is about to negatively affected something that the first party cares about. Means when two persons meet each other and they are thinking about a particular thing is different, and they will try to express the my thinking is correct, and in this time when the both opinions is discussed, then the conflict which arises. And the encompass of wide range of conflicts that people experience in the organization, incompatibility of goals and difference over interpretations of facts and over expectations. When we will need over expected, then we will arise in the conflict situations, and also it affect the goals. When in the organization the employees' opinions are not matched with each other, then the organization goal is not arrived and not completed. Next slide. These are the situations of conflict. That's called conflict situation when the two persons are a group of persons are opinions are not matched with each other. And the three views of conflicts. So what are the three views of conflicts? The three views of conflicts is, one is the traditional view of conflicts, and the second one is the human relations view of conflicts, and the third one is the interactionist view of conflict. So what is the traditional view of conflict? The belief that all conflicts is harmful and must be avoided. When in the organization, every sector, the people who are working the same things, they think that when the conflicts arise, this is only create the harmfuls, and this is create the, and we should be try to avoid the conflicts. But in the situation of conflicts, when arise then something is new is comes and some new idea is implemented. So it's partially a good thing in the organization or organizations. And the human relations view of conflicts. But that's belief that conflicts is a natural and inevitable outcomes in any groups. Human thinks that the conflict is a situation that's naturally arises. What we try to avoid, but it comes naturally, because every person thinking is different, and always every person try to my thinking is correct, so that when the things is not matched with each other, then the conflict arises. And the last is interactionist view of conflict, the belief that is not only a positive force in a group, but that it is absolutely necessary for a group to perform effectively. It means the conflicts, sometimes conflicts create the chance in which you will try to expose the new things, and when the conflicts arises, from the discussion we will create a new things, we will find the new things, new ideas and new strategy to solve any types of problems in our organization. The functional, dysfunctional and dysfunctional conflicts. Sometimes the conflicts that support the goals of the groups and improve its performance. That's why I say when conflicts arise, we will find the new ideas, new things. That's the effect of positiveness. Through conflicts, we will get the positive things. And when the conflicts that hinder the groups of performance, when the conflicts decrease our organization goals, distract the employees to achieve their goals, that's the negative effect of conflicts. Next slide. The functional conflicts outcomes increase group performance through conflicts. we will increase our group performance and improve quality of decisions when we will take a decision through a group discussion. So we will getting more knowledge and more information about a particular topic. So when we have much more knowledge of a particular topic, then we will find that which is the perfect or implements in our organization, in our company, and the stimulation of creativity and innovation through discussion, through conflict. Every members are try to expose their thinking, their point of view. So every person's point of view are different and innovative. So through conflicts, we will get much more innovative things, and that the encouragement of interest and curiosity. When in the group, when in a group discussions, there are many persons are available, and they will discuss about a particular topics and a new topics. Then every person thinks is different, and they will say and expose their thinking in their point of view. So every person have a curiosity about the things that comes from the discussions, and the creation of an environment for self-evaluation and challenges. It creates a chance to possess your opinions and your things, and you will try to think about the ideas what you think it is you try to expose. Next, the dysfunctional conflicts outcome, development of discontent. When conflicts arise somewhere, every person try to prove their opinion is right, and they will forget the main things that's the theme, and the reduced group effectiveness. Sometimes when the conflicts arise, then the misunderstanding also arise, then the group effectiveness is decreased. Then repeated communication, when conflict arises, then communication is not in a good form, so it's also happening to communications, and reduced group cohesiveness. When conflict arises, the people's in between two peoples, they don't try to understand both of them. Then the conflict situation is arising, and the misunderstanding also arising, and the infighting among group members overcome group goals. So fighting is when conflict arises, sometimes the fighting is the main thing, and the group discussion and the themes is also avoided. So it is the dysfunction of conflict. The conflict resolution techniques. So through which way we resolution the conflicts? The communication. When we try to communicate with each other in a particular manner, through which we will getting the solution, then we will avoid the conflicts and the bringing the outsiders. When sometimes we will call the outsider and try to take suggestion from them, and restructuring the organization. We will try to restructure our strategy, our plannings, and expansion of resource. We will try to expand our resource through which we will implement new things, and avoidance. When some difficult situation is arising and some misunderstanding is arising, we will try to avoid that things, and compromise. Sometimes we will try to compromise. That's why the misunderstanding is decreased, and the thing that is important, that is all are focused that points. Next, if now the session is over, if anyone having any question in your mind, please ask.